Bonsoir. Good evening. I'm very sorry that I could not be there in person this evening, but I'm sure you are aware our government is working hard through the night to pass important legislation to protect our economy and our manufacturing sector. The work stoppage at CP Rail is costing the Canadian economy over $500 million a week, every week that it continues, and it will put thousands of Canadian jobs at risk if it's prolonged, including those in the automotive industry, like thousands of workers at Toyota in my riding of Cambridge. So we will work hard this evening. But I want to congratulate your organization for such an impressive conference. This year's theme, Navigating the Road Ahead, suggests to me that this event is a bit like taking out the map or the GPS, or for those tech-savvy folks in the audience, loading up Google Maps on your BlackBerry to take stock of how far we've traveled and to plan the next leg of our journey. Our objective is clear. We want to enhance our automotive research capacity, support made in Canada innovation, and increase our ability to compete internationally. Our government's long-term goal remains to provide the right conditions for a sustainable and viable North American automotive sector in which Canada maintains its share of auto production and jobs. Contributing 12% of manufacturing GDP and 11% of total merchandise exports, Canada's auto sector is a vital piece of our economy. If we are to ensure that this sector continues to thrive, collaboration and innovation will be necessary. We've had quite a journey, ladies and gentlemen, since the economic recession of 2009, and while the downturn exposed fragile areas in our economy, Canadians can be proud of our relative success. For example, Toyota recently announced that it is adding 400 jobs at its Woodstock plant, while Ford is adding a third shift and 100 jobs at its Essex plant. And of course, Honda said it would be building its next generation CR-V in Canada. Ontario is now the largest producer of automobiles in North America. And in the first months of 2012, we have seen auto sales climb. Our country can still boast that we are and have a number of advantages that make it an excellent location for automotive investments. A stable economy, highly skilled workers, sophisticated infrastructure, ready access to markets, sound governance, attractive social programs, and a strong, proud, and historic and supportive environment for automotive R&D. But the world is changing, becoming more connected and more globalized. This is a reality we must face. Countries and markets that were previously consumer markets are quickly becoming competitor markets. If Canada is to continue to grow and innovate, we have to engage the world and make important strategic investments here at home. In short, we still have a little bit of work to do. Now, our government's Economic Action Plan 2012 focuses on the drivers of growth and job creation, innovation, for example, investments, education, skills, and healthy communities. Through Economic Action Plan 2012, the Harper government is committed to investing in science and technology to contribute to the creation of a stronger, more innovative economy and a more prosperous Canada. We want to see R&D go beyond the lab and get it out into the marketplace through our factories. Organizations like Auto21 bring together researchers and companies, inventors, and entrepreneurs who work jointly to help research inform business needs and vice versa. Our vision, of course, realized by your work, is to help transform knowledge into economic advantage. And since its launch in 2001, Auto21 has helped build a stronger automotive sector in Canada through excellence in collaborative research and the development of human and social capital. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very pleased to announce measures that will carry Auto21's success forward. 40 new automotive research projects will receive an investment of $22 million. This includes $10 million from the Harper government, which Auto21 will receive from the Networks of Centers of Excellence program. The project will also receive $12 million in support from Canada's automotive sector, including numerous automakers, parts manufacturers, and material suppliers. So congratulations to you, Auto 21. Nearly 200 researchers will contribute to the projects, which will also provide training opportunities for about 400 graduate students. Because of projects like Dr. Howard's at the University of Toronto, which will study child injuries in car crashes, we know that one day the roads will be safer for our kids. And because of projects like Dr. Pillai's at the Concordia University, which will study motor drive technologies for electric vehicles, we know that in the future there will be a greater number of greener vehicles on our roads. Or take Dr. Novak's or Dr. Gaspar's work at the University of Windsor as another example. Their project focuses on in-vehicle acoustics for the aging or hearing impaired. This work will hopefully lead to innovations and breakthroughs to improve safety behind the wheel. You know, it's this type of research that can and does have a strong impact on society. The ideas, the products, and the technologies generated by these Auto 21 funded research projects will create jobs and businesses and help develop highly skilled people, strengthen our economy, and improve the long-term competitiveness of our Canadian automotive industry. I want to commend all of those companies and the researchers who will be receiving support for their projects. I look forward to seeing the fruits of your labor. Congratulations, félicitations. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great conference.